In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view hidden information, such as a mobile phone number, on Facebook Marketplace using your desktop. If you're someone who frequently browses through listings on Facebook Marketplace and always finds it cumbersome to uncover essential information like the seller's phone number, this guide is for you. Let's dive in and walk through the entire process, ensuring you can easily reveal these hidden details. First, you'll want to begin by accessing Facebook from your desktop browser. Simply type facebook.com into your address bar and log into your account if you haven't already. Once you are logged into Facebook and on the home page, you're going to navigate to the left-hand column where you can see a list of headings such as pages, groups, and others. Scroll down slightly and you'll find an option that says See More. Click on this, which will expand the menu further and reveal more options for you to choose from. Among these new options, you'll want to look out for Marketplace. Click on Marketplace to access the section where users can buy and sell various items. Once you're in Marketplace, the next step is to search for mobile phones. Locate the search bar at the top section of the Marketplace page and type in mobile phones, or use any specific keywords relevant to what you're looking for. This will provide you with a list of available phone listings that are currently on Facebook Marketplace. As you browse through the listings, find a phone that catches your attention. Click on this specific listing to open up more details about the item for sale. Normally, you'd expect to find all relevant information easily accessible here, but some details might be hidden, especially contact information. Here's the crucial part. Pay attention to the URL at the top of your browser. It will start with w.facebook.com. To reveal the hidden information like mobile phone numbers, you need to modify this URL slightly. Click into the address bar and replace the www. part of the URL with m, changing it to facebook.com. This little trick switches Facebook to its mobile site version on your desktop. Reload the page with this adjusted URL and you should now be able to see any previously hidden information, such as contact numbers, more clearly. This approach effectively tricks Facebook into displaying the page as if you're on a mobile device where sometimes more contact details are naturally visible. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you can now explore Facebook Marketplace and extract essential seller information without hassle. As always, ensure your actions align with privacy guidelines and only use contact details respectfully and responsibly.